Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the YouTube app or the mobile browser and navigate directly to the video watch page. Once the video is loaded, make sure you can see the title and player controls. This confirms you're on the right screen. Now tap the share icon beneath the video. That's the first actionable step to get the URL. While you tap, notice whether you're in app or browser, because the next steps differ slightly depending on that context. Once you tap Share, choose Copy Link from the share sheet. This writes the URL to your clipboard. If you're in a mobile browser instead of the app, tap the address bar, select All, and copy the full URL. That ensures you get the exact link. Make sure to paste the copied value into a quick note or the browser's search field to verify it's the correct URL. Doing this confirms you have the link saved and ready to share. Now paste the URL into the app or message where you want to share it. You can also long press a text field and select Paste. Once shared, verify the link on another device or in a browser to confirm it opens the intended video. If the copied link doesn't paste or opens incorrectly, force close the YouTube app, reopen, and copy again. Alternatively, clear the clipboard or restart the phone to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.